This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device and the Google app are ready. You should update the Google app, sign into your main account, and permit camera access. Once done, open the Google app and tap the More menu or your profile icon to reach settings. You're beginning the setup now. Don't skip permissions because Lens needs camera access to work. This gets you to the place where you can add Lens to the search bar and ensures the feature appears when available. Now you enable Lens for the search bar. In Settings, go to General or Widget Options and find the toggle labeled Google Lens or Lens Suggestions. Switch it on. If the app prompts, grant camera permission again so the widget can use the lens. Once enabled, long press your home screen, add or edit the Google search widget, and ensure the lens icon is selected. If it's missing, remove and re-add the widget. That forces the updated widget to display the lens shortcut. Finish by verifying Lens works from the search bar. Tap the lens icon and point the camera at an object to confirm recognition. If the icon never appears, restart the Google app, then your device, because that often resolves widget refresh issues. Make sure the Google app is up to date. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: if permissions look correct but Lens still fails, remove the search widget and re-add it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.